Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's learn and grow together. Today we are going to see the next part of MST CET 2017. The question number 11 is what is the quantity of hydrogen gas liberated when 46 gram of sodium reacts with excess of ethanol. To save the time, I have already written the reaction between ethanol and sodium. When sodium reacts with ethanol, it gives sodium ethoxide and liberates hydrogen. If we see 2 moles of ethanol reacts with 2 moles of sodium and gives 2 moles of sodium ethoxide and 1 mole of hydrogen. 1 mole of hydrogen corresponds to 2 gram and 2 moles of sodium correspond to 46 gram. 46 gram of sodium when reacts with excess of ethanol, that is 2 moles of ethanol, and it gives 1 mole of hydrogen, that means 2 gram of hydrogen is liberated, and this reaction is based on the balanced chemical equation, that is stoichiometry, and hence 2 gram means 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg, and hence B is the correct answer. For this you have to write the balanced chemical equation. Then we will move to the next question. Identify the weakest oxidizing agent among the following. For that you must know electrochemical series in which elements are arranged with their decreasing reduction potential. That means the substance or the species which act as an oxidizing agent itself undergo reduction, hence that species must have tendency to accept the electrons. And if we see these species and how to remember these species in the decreasing order of their reduction potential, I have written here some of the elements which are included in that, and how to remember. There is a trick, and it is लिथियम का बाप सरदार, काका नाना मांगे आलू पानी में, मैंने जिंदा क्रो फ्राई कर दिया, कोई नहीं सुनता प्रभु हाइड्रोजन की. Like this, with the increasing reduction potential, we have arranged these elements, and the element which is present at the base cannot act as a oxidizing agent. Hence, Li plus do not have tendency to accept electron and to convert into Li, while the highest tendency will be of the fluorine to accept the electrons and to form 2F minus ions. Hence, Li2 plus is the correct answer because it do not have tendency to accept the electrons. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. In case of these elements, we have known that fluorine have highest tendency to accept the electrons, and in case of these metals or elements which will have the reduction potential less than 0.0 volt, we have arranged this series. Once again I will repeat. लिथियम का बाप सरदार, काका नाना मांगे आलू पानी में, मैंने जिंदा क्रो फ्राई कर दिया, कोई नहीं सुनता प्रभु हाइड्रोजन की. Very simple to remember these elements in a series, and hence the correct answer we can identify. This series is also useful in case of Illingen diagram, and you have to study that Illingen diagram for the purpose of that the species which undergo oxidation easily, and you can able to solve the problem based on Illingen diagram also, and also electrochemical series. Then we will move to the next question. Which among the following compounds does not act as a reducing agent? And the options are H2O, H2S, H2SE, and H2TE. These are the hydrides of oxygen family elements, and when we observe these hydrides, H2O, H2S, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, and tellurium, this is the order of these family elements. And hydrides, if observed, H2O have strong intermolecular attraction among them, and these molecules are held together by Which type of forces? These are the hydrogen bonding. Strong hydrogen bonds are present among these molecules, and it is not easy to break, and hence H2O cannot act as a reducing agent because the bond dissociation energy is maximum in case of H2O as compared to H2S, H2SE and H2TE, because the size and electronegativity decreases and size of these atoms increases from top to bottom, hence H2O cannot act as a reducing agent. Then we will move to the next question, that is, which of the following process is not used to preserve food? Irradiation, that means UV irradiation, hydration, addition of salt, addition of heat. And it is a common question. Hydration method, addition of water, is not used for the preservation of food material. We well known about the addition of salt. Pickles are prepared by addition of salt. It is a preservation method. Milk, we heat the milk. Also irradiation. Hence these methods are used for the preservation of food, but hydration, addition of water, is not used for the preservation of food. And the next question of this session is, in case of substituted aniline, the group that decreases basic strength is. For that we must know why aniline acts as a base. The structure of aniline is like this, and the basic nature of aniline is due to the presence of these lone pair of electrons which are donated to the species which is having electron deficiency. That means it can act as a base due to the presence of these lone pair of electrons. If these lone pair of electrons are pulled away from nitrogen by any species, then it cannot act as a base. And if OCH3 group is attached, OCH3 group if it attached, it have lone pair of electrons, it will release the lone pair of electrons to the benzene ring, and benzene ring will release to the nitrogen. Hence electron density of nitrogen increases, hence it do not decrease the basic strength of aniline. If CH3 group is there, CH3 group also exerts positive inductive effect, positive I effect on the benzene ring. It releases electron to the benzene ring and benzene ring to the nitrogen. Hence electron rich species or the electron density on nitrogen increases by CH3. Then if we observe the NH2 group, also NH2 group which is present, and it will have lone pair of electron, it will donate the lone pair of electron to the benzene ring, and benzene ring again donate to the NH2 group, and also this NH2 group is basic in nature due to the presence of lone pair of electron. These electrons are also available for the donation to the species. And the last is C6H5, that is phenyl ring. When attached to the aniline, this is the aniline and a phenyl ring, again it is attached at any position, it will withdraw the electron density of benzene ring towards itself, and these electrons are less available for the donation to the species. Hence this C6H5 decreases the basic strength of ammonia. Thank you. We will see the next questions in the next video.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.